Hello and welcome to another update about ETHBTC. ETHBTC has currently, is following expectations, I should say. Not covering it very often on YouTube, but it is one of the trading pairs that I cover in our membership for gold members. But I do sometimes cover it on YouTube. Now I think it's time, especially when we have a market, development like that late on Friday. Because we have identified already a while ago 5 waves up on this chart. And I mentioned in my last update about ETHBTC. I'm just trying to find it on the second screen. It was on Tuesday. On Tuesday, where were we? Here, 28th. Was it here? I think it was here somewhere. Tuesday, yeah. I think here somewhere. Yeah. And my commentary was that support is defined between 0.047 and 0.052. And price action is supporting the idea that a pullback is underway in wave 2 or wave B. That has been confirmed further by today's price action. What is important on this chart is that when we talk about the ETHBTC pair, that for Ethereum to give us an initial confirmation that it plans to outperform Bitcoin, then it needs to hold a higher low, or the bulls here, talking about this trading pair only, the bulls need to turn up before ETHBTC breaks below 0.04721 BTC. Why? Because it's the 78.6 retracement, and whether after an initial 5-wave move up, which we can count that as wave 1, or a wave. It's a 5-wave move, so it does suggest trend continuation higher. And that could simply be a C wave to the upside, or maybe even something more bullish. I'm going to lean towards yellow until something more bullish, let's say, proves itself, okay, until the market proves that we're actually in a larger impulse, because in an ABC structure, we're dealing with this, A, B, C, and then possibly another low. Whereas the white count would suggest wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. So there will be a support area to watch. There will be a pivot that we will put on the chart, which will distinguish between another low or one more higher high, which would be even more bullish, because then it would be further confirmation that Ethereum plans to outperform Bitcoin going forward, right? Okay, after that, we'll get another pullback, but a higher low, and then, yeah. But hey, let's not deal with all of that. At the moment, we need to see if the market can hold a higher low. This is the support area I communicated. As I said, it's between 0.04721 and 0.05224. The market dipped into that area now, and the question is now about the microstructure. So what I can tell you is that when we're dealing with a pullback like that in a B wave or a wave 2, they tend to finish in the region of a wave 4 of one lesser degree. Well, we've arrived there. That's the 38.2 retracement. I would definitely pay attention to a possible low to be in place already, because it is possible that this here actually is the low. A wave, B wave, and then it's possible to count that as 5 waves. It's also possible to count it like that, and then we're basically getting another B wave before we come down and see in a deeper wave 2 or B. But really what matters is this area needs to hold. The market could turn around anywhere. Don't pay too much attention to the microstructures. I could also take them out completely. I don't think they really add any value. Not the corrective pullback. This is important because it shows we have a 5-wave move up. This here could literally turn into anything. What really matters is that we don't break below that level, because only then ETH can continue to outperform, well, I shouldn't say continue to outperform Bitcoin. It started here, and now is the stress test. 5 waves up are not enough, but 5 up, 3 down, holding support here and then moving out of the support area will be a good signal that indeed ETHBTC has bottomed. And then when it continues to go up, ETH can indeed take over, take the lead. It's too early for that. I just want to make you aware that we had an initial 5-wave move up, which topped recently. A pullback was due, the pullback is unfolding, and we're now in an area where a decision is going to be made. Very, very, very important, because Ether really here has a chance to start to outperform Bitcoin. Not yet. okay, and it can still fail. But these are the fib levels that we need to pay attention to. That's my update about ETHBTC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.